happy birthday! Sana magpakabait ka kay mami at daddy, tapos mag-aral ka magputi.
Yes!
Happy birthday! Nakakaiyak sana. Gusto mo ba ng dinosaur? Okay. Sa convenience din gusto mo. Okay. Itong gift na to, alam mo ba, 11 o'clock na, hindi ko pa nakikita. Kasi ang mami ko nagbilin. Dinosaur daw. So alam mo kung ano naman ito? Minions. Hindi dinosaur. Kaya as early as 7 o'clock, umama si tita, nagdiwaliw na ganap ng dinosaur! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Medyo magiging busy ka din sa gift namin. I hope you ask Daddy's help. Yes, happy birthday! Sana magustuhan mo yan, pang summer, everyday magagamit ko. Isa lang kasi kilala ko yung dinosaur na friend si Barney. Masyado scottish yan. So happy birthday in from me and Shantan. God bless you po. Thank you.
Only po.
Lakasan mo malapit ko. Lakasan mo.
Thank you, Mama CD.
Unang po, thank you for inviting me. My wish for you is to learn a lot of new things. And I hope that if you're from this day and next coming days of your life will bring lots of happy people and always love your mom and dad. Yeah, happy birthday. I love you.
I wish you be a good boy to your mom and to your dad and stay healthy.
My wish for you is that you grow more loving to your parents, to your mom and dad, and then continue being a blessing to them. Happy birthday. Be a professional or successful professional someday. Happy birthday.
Thank you! Okay.
Hi, and happy birthday. My wish for you is for you to grow in wisdom and in knowledge and in love with your parents. More wisdom and knowledge. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
For you is that I hope that when you grow old, of course you will not be able to avoid problems naman. So what I wish for you is that as you face problems in your life, when you grow old, you will always have a positive outlook and always remember that everything is planned for you and that you always have a positive outlook in life and do not give up on anything. Happy birthday, we love you, Ian.
Thank you, In. Thank you, In.
Happy birthday, In. Ang wish ko lang kay Ina, makatapos ng pag-aaral, maging mabuting bata, at hindi malayo ng landas, at higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. Happy birthday, In.
Thank you.
Sige, mag-aaral ako. Thank you.
Lang sa'yo, one first, mag-enjoy ka lang muna. Bata ka pa naman, so ako lang, you don't have to worry. So marami ko pong birthdays to pa. Tapos kung magkaroon ko ng problema, nandito naman kami, si Mami, Daddy, ako. Sabihin mo lang, then we'll face each other's problems. Yun lang, so palaki ka, tapos ayun, ano lang lagi, tapos okay na lang din yung mga have a little fun. Okay, love you.
Sige.
Peace.
Thank you for coming, especially to my parents na mula pa sa buhon, ang mama at papa ko. Asa na sila. Thank you for coming lahat kayo, nag-effort talaga. Tapos lahat ng in-invite ko dumating. Tapos meron pang blessing na dumating. Tapos ang wish ko sa anak ko is lahat ng wishes, ang gaganda na ng wishes ng lahat ng pinag-wish ko dito. Sana lahat ng wishes na yun ay pagkaloob ng Diyos para magkaroon ng katuparan lahat. So, I wish my son, lahat-lahat ng yun ay magkakaroon. Thank you so much.